it's Lisa Childs here from triedtestedandtrue.com, and today I am so excited to share with you a project that our team has been working on all year long. Today I'm announcing our newest cookbook, Enjoy. Enjoy features over 101 pressure cooker recipes for everyone. Inside, you're going to find recipes that have been so well loved by readers all over the world, from our website, from our YouTube channel, and recipes that you can't find on either place. Some of the features I really love about our book are, first, the beautiful hardcover backing. It's super sturdy, and I love that it's a great size to put in your kitchen or to display. The second thing I love about our cookbook is that it has this beautiful coil binding. That way, when you're using the book in your kitchen, it will lay flat. And that is something that was really important to me to have. Another feature that you'll love about our cookbook is that every single recipe has a QR code that will take you either to a YouTube video or a page on our website where you can read more context about the recipe, get recipe substitutions, read the full blog post, or watch a video demonstration on how to make the dish. Another feature that we really wanted our readers to have was a spot to put your own rating on this recipe. So almost all of these recipes are so well loved by our readers, but if there are specific ones that you really love, you can mark it in the book, or if you've never tried it before and you try it, you can give your own star rating by filling it out on each page. This book is a love letter to my readers for all that you have given me, and I'm so grateful. It features a lot of never before seen photos and stories from me, and I'm just so grateful for you and excited for you to have it and enjoy. Enjoy is ready to pre-order today, and it will ship in early December. I can't wait for you to have this in your home, and I'm so grateful for all of the love that you've given these recipes. We have poured our whole heart into making this beautiful cookbook for you, and I know you're going to love it and enjoy.